So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a Wix website on your mobile phone. So let's get started. So you're asking, what is Wix? So basically Wix is a Israel software company which is publicly listed in the US that provides cloud-based web HTML development services, and it allows users to create HTML5 websites and mobile sites through the use of online drag and drop tools. See, it's very simple. So you can create websites on your phone. So basically the first step that you have to do is just go ahead onto your browser or your Safari, where here you will just go to wix.com. So if you already haven't signed up or signed in, just sign up for a new account. And then once you have signed up, just log into your account, and here you will be redirected into this website. So here you got a stunning website created just for you. All you have to do is start by answering simple questions given to you by Wix. So let's just say get started. So you would want to answer this question specifically for the website you're going to build. So the first question particularly is, what is your website for? So here you will just see travel agency, online store, makeup artist, real estate agent. So let's just say online store. And there you go. So once you have entered that option of yours, so the next question is, does your website still need any of the following features, like creating a blog, taking bookings and appointments, or getting subscribers? So let's just check it right here and proceed to the next question. The next question is, what is the name of your online store? So let's just place here Dinosaur Me. There. So here you will have to add your info and perhaps a profile picture for the website itself. So the name of the website that we're going to create is Dinosaur Me. Here you will have your email, and then you'll have to enter your phone number or your address too. You can also add social accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and such like that. Just proceed to the next, and here it will pick a theme you like. So keep in mind you can easily change it later. So maybe you want to stick with something else for now. Let's just go with the classic theme. Seems really nice. So here, let's get started with the website itself. So build the site. So it will be creating your site, adding sections, and choosing fonts specifically designed for your liking. Since the options you have entered a while ago, it will build the website for you already. So it will automatically do it for you just like a template, and then you'll have the power to optimize and customize it later on in the video. So here I'll just wait for it to put it all together. And so as you can see here, it has already built a website for me. It's fairly simple, and it's build it up to the expectation that I needed from the options I picked earlier from the questions itself. So here it just shows you the new items, blah blah blah, manage sections, and things like that. So here you will see your themes, pages, and more in the bottom corner of your screen. So you'll have the option to choose more themes. So you want to go jet black. Let's just say if you want to go jet black, so it will update it automatically. There's no coding needed here, so it basically just does it for you. It's a click and drag type of creating a website. So if you want to create a website for your vlog or perhaps your store, you can do it here in wix.com. It's very versatile and very, very simple to use. So here we'll go to the more options. So here you'll have your account and get the Wix Owner app, or hire a professional perhaps if you want to go really professional and you're serious about your business or so, something like that. And here you have the option to upgrade it too. So here in pages you will see the shop, product page, and thank you page, book online, booking calendar, service page. So this will be the parts of your website technically. So here you can edit and rename it in these three buttons right here. So here let's just go to shop so we can customize it. So let's just wait for it to load up, and it's updating our site right now, as you can see in your screens. So you can also manage the sections, you can customize it and whatsoever. So this is fairly simple. So let's manage it right now. So let's manage sections. You can choose from the header, you want to edit it. So here you'll have your email, logo, business name, tagline, phone number, and your social accounts. And in the store, you can also edit and rename it. So edit. If you want to edit it, you have to get the Wix owner app, which unfortunately I don't have. And here in the footer, you can also edit it. It's like your email, business name, copyright message. So of course it's made by Wix, so you have to credit it for them. So here will be your social accounts. You can add them and edit them. And there you go. Those are the sections. So you want to manage all your sections like your welcome page, your bestsellers, your Instagram, your newsletter, contact, new collections, store policies, shopping policies, and whatsoever. So let's just say you want to add a welcome part to your website. Just press done and it's adding it to your website automatically. As you can see here, it's very simple to use. So let's just wait for it to load up since it's really slow. So while we're checking that out, let's just go to edit here. Oh wait, you have to get the Wix owner app. So here's the welcome. We can edit it. So here you go. You can replace the image itself and place media you want. You can place titles like new items, great deals, 50% off, or something like that. So here in your subtitle, you want to see like it's only once in a lifetime sale, blah blah blah. Whatever you want to place, it's really up to you. I'm just trying to show you how Wix works. So here you will have the description and you can change the layout. So you can change the layout to whatever liking you want. If you want the header, if you want the text, then the image, or the image above the text and so on, or you want it integrated, so you just press it there and then there you go. Fairly simple as that. So here, I already have built my own website for a product that I'm trying to sell. So there, it's really simple. And then to update your other sections that you have made a while ago, so there you go. See, new items, great deals, the seasonal special, and your links will be linked down below, and the copyright of Wix.com. So there you go, guys. It's very simple. So perhaps you're wondering a while ago what's the other features here. Just go to more and then you go to upgrade, so it will redirect you to another page where you can upgrade your Wix.com, your account in Wix, so you can connect domains. So here it's $4.50 for the most basic plan. Here it's $8.50 for the combo plan, and here's the features that it will show you. So it has an SSL certificate, a bandwidth of 1 GB, a storage space of 500 MB, a lead capture form of 4, and 10 fields per form. And this will also include customer care for 24 hours. So here in the combo, you will see that you'll have your own custom domain, your free domain for almost a year. You can also have the option to remove the Wix branding. You'll have the rest of the features a while ago with more allocations. So here's the unlimited one. It's $12.50 a month. This is really popular for entrepreneurs and freelancers. So here you'll have custom domain, free domain for a year. You'll have the option to remove your Wix branding, free SSL certificate, unlimited bandwidth, which is really good, storage range of 10 GB, video hours of 1 hour, lead capture forms of 10 and 20 fields per form. And you also have a site booster app and a visitor analytics app. You'll also have the customer care and there. And the last but not the least, you'll have your VIP. Oh wait. So here in the VIP, the features are very simple. So you'll have more storage space, more video hours, more lead capture, and fields per form. Site booster app, visitor analytics app, professional logo, social media logo changes, and customer care. And those will be a priority since you're already in the VIP. And this will just cost you $24.50 a month. So there you go, guys. That's how you how you operate the Wix website on your mobile phone. And thank you for watching this video.